these people are wearing masks though. Oh, blue mask. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I don't know what this is. All these people are wearing masks though. Oh, blue mask. So okay, I'm just gonna walk. See where we can go through here. Are they all sick? I thought maybe pollution, but I don't know. Some of those guys are coughing hard. Is that all pollution or sickness? I don't know. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, so I'm kind of just exploring a little bit away from the norm, but I'm gonna, man, the pollution is really bad right here too. I think that's why all those people have the mask on everywhere. Let's see. I think I might just have to go back this way. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.